Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q7 battery. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench set and a battery terminal cleaner. Make sure you have a new battery that is specifically designed for your Audi Q7 model. You'll also need to locate the battery, which is typically found under the rear seat or in the trunk area of the vehicle. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Before you begin, always turn off your vehicle's ignition and remove the key for safety. Next, you'll disconnect the negative battery terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This order is crucial to prevent electrical shorts. Finally, carefully unfasten any clamps or straps that are holding the old battery in place within its tray, preparing it for removal. Now, thoroughly clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely, and then reattach any hold-down clamps. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure for optimal performance. After installation, double-check that all connections are tight and the new battery is stable and not moving. Start your Audi Q7 to confirm everything is functioning correctly, including your vehicle's electronics. For many modern Audi models, it's highly recommended to have the new battery registered with the car's computer system by a professional to ensure proper charging and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.